Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's DJ MOJOE, saving the city one party at a time. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you how to use a wireless Lav Mic for Instagram Live or for your cell phone device, whether you have an iPhone or Android. You can have great audio quality using a wireless Lav Mic. Now, I did make a previous video on this using a handheld microphone from Fine Technologies, but now I'm going to share with you a wireless solution to have a Lav Mic, so that way you can record, you can go live from your mobile device from at a distance, and you can still have the same audio quality and have clarity in your voice. So if you're interested in learning how to do this for yourself, whether you're in business, whether you're in the fitness industry, DJ, or anything really, which you're trying to find an easy solution to record great audio for videos for your audience, stay tuned in this video. I'll be sharing with you how I do it using the Comica CVM-WS50 wireless lav microphone. So the Comica CVM-WS50 Lav Mic is a great solution that I've been using at some of my live events. I've had different experiences, whether doing Instagram, just using my built-in microphone from the iPhone. I've also had experience using the handheld microphone. The only downside with the handheld microphone is that you're actually holding it. With the only thing that I think is great for it is you want to hold it and you can interview someone, go back and forth on the microphone if you want. But if you have a different purpose of having a wireless Lav Mic so you can be hands-free, this is going to be something that's going to be great for you. Now, this is the Comica I'm going to share with you before we do the sound test. I know you want to hear how it sounds and just to see how it all works. Let me share with you what it comes with. So this is the Comica bag right here. This is what it comes with. Nice case, nice handle, so you can take it with you wherever you go at your gig or event. And it has nice foam padding. Let me see if I can see right here. Nice foam padding right here. And it comes with instruction manual, and it has a little pocket right here, which it contains all the cables that you would need. So something about the Comica CVM-50 it's very, let me show you the case. It has everything that you need here, okay? Right there. Okay, so there's two parts to it, actually three parts, two main parts. One is the actual body pack, which is this guy right here. So this is what you use to clip onto your belt. You can put it in your pocket, and it has a part that complements it with. This is the transmitter, and then this is the receiver right here. Okay, and as you can see, the receiver is already built into this device looking thing. It looks like claws. It's actually so it can grip on your iPhone. Now, other things that it came with, depending on what you get, it comes with this little Comica tripod. So it's like a ball mount, so you can attach this to it, and that way you can hold your phone in front of you. You can angle it in a certain way, so you can do like a little selfie like this, or if someone else is holding it for you, they have something easier to grip on instead of holding the actual receiver itself. Instead of holding this is way much easier, and you can also leave it on a table, so that way you can record your audio from a distance and yet still hear your voice from afar. But now let me share with you how it's all put together. I know you're excited to hear how it sounds and its actual use and comparing it, but hang on there. So using this Comica little mini tripod thing, so you attach it to this receiver right here. You screw it in just like this. But what I do recommend before you screw it on is that you actually grab your phone and you put it on the receiver. So you find this claw right here, you try to match it up. It won't fit. So the thing is, what you can do is adjust it right here. You just have to unscrew it a little bit more, and it widens the claw. Okay. Widens the claw just like this. You can put your phone in. So you can flatten out the claw right here, and then you can, let me see this way. There we go. You widen it up and then put your claw right there. And then to tighten it, just screw this part back up. There we go. And now you have a firm grip. Now, the next thing that you want to do is it does come with some cables, and I want to share with you how to connect this to your Bodypack. So it's all connected through wirelessly. And the way to do this is with your Bodypack, you want to connect the Lav microphone to it. So this is the Lav Mic. So this is the Lav Mic that it comes with. And one of the great things that it comes with is this little fuzzy thing, like a little windscreen that you can attach to the microphone. If you're outdoors, if you're doing this at a park, trying to show your fitness videos or whatever, or you have an event outside and it's kind of windy, attach this little furry mic cover to protect the microphone from the wind, to lessen the wind noise. But anyways, you clip this onto yourself. I'll show you just like this, to a shirt, your lapel, and then you attach the other device to this microphone line right here. There we go. So you can clip this to your pocket, to your belt, whichever you want. And now I have my phone in here. And then what I'm going to do is screw in the little mini tripod to this device right here. Just like that. There we go. And then I could either do the front, no, I could do the rear facing camera, or I could do the front facing camera to do video. But here's the thing. So I got my transmitter ready with the lavalier microphone attached right here. The other thing that you want to do is attach the receiver to your microphone. So this device right here is receiving the audio that's getting from your transmitter, and you have to do a direct connection from the receiver to your microphone. Now, I forget which model after the iPhone 7, you would need to use a little dongle so you can connect to the lightning port right here. So I connect to the lightning port, and on the other end, you connect it to the output of the receiver. Okay. And then what you want to do is turn on both devices. Okay. There's a power button right here that will turn on. And then there's going to be another power button right here that turns on. Now, these are rechargeable batteries. You don't need to bring AA, AAA. You can always charge them. And it does already come with a little USB that you can always charge it on the back of both of these units. Now, a couple of things to note here. There are different little channels. Right now, we're in channel 00. You can tap to 01, 02, 3, 4, 5. So it's basically a total of 6 channels you can choose from. Now it's a little bit hard to see, but you can see it right here. And so there's different icons here. You can choose the different channels that you would have to match the same channel, so that way they're both in sync. It has a little battery indicator so you know the battery life. It also has a little meter letting you know that it's picking up sound from the microphone. And you know when this is synced with this, when you also see a little bar, it's a bit hard to see from the video camera, that it's picking up a signal too. So I'm at channel 00, and I can see that the bar is going up on my transmitter and a bar is going up on my receiver. It's in sync. All right. Now, there's also a little, what's a great thing about this is sometimes you want to monitor the sound. You can actually attach another headphone piece, maybe earplugs, headphones. So whoever is managing your Instagram Live, or whoever is managing your video on your phone while you're out there at a distance doing your thing, they can monitor the audio that's coming into your phone, which is a great thing. So you can adjust the gain or the volume input that you're giving into your phone. Sometimes if you're speaking too loud, you may want to bring this down, but sometimes you're very quiet and you want to bring this up, you can. So it has volume control, it has monitoring so you can hear your sound that's inputting into the phone. And yeah, so right now, I just share with you the whole setup, which is pretty simple and easy to use. I'm going to share with you how it sounds. So I'm going to insert a few clips right here so you can hear how it sounds with the Comica CVM-WS50, and you can hear the sound just from my built-in microphone on my iPhone 11 Pro.
Hey, what's going on? I am using my Comica CVM-WS50 and I am just giving you a demonstration on how it sounds on me. So this is the little body pack that I could put in my pocket, I can clip it on my belt, and I could walk away and still have the same volume and the quality in my voice just because I have the microphone right here and it's all transmitting wirelessly to my cell phone. What do you think about that? And now I'm going to share with you how it sounds like just using a microphone from my iPhone 11 Pro.
Now, what you're hearing right now is the sound from my iPhone 11 Pro. Same distance, same everything. As you notice, maybe the volume is the same, but the quality of the sound is a bit different. But imagine I'm at a distance, and you are not able to hear me the same, or maybe you catch the room noise, the reverb, and it doesn't sound as clear. That's why having a Comica Lav Mic may help you out. So I'm not using my Lav Mic right now. I'm currently using my iPhone 11 Pro. Which one do you like better? Do you like it more with the Comica, or do you prefer to just do it like this? So what do you guys think? Did you hear a difference? Which one do you like better? Do you like it with the CVM-WS50, or do you like the built-in microphone from your mobile device or my mobile device? So there is a difference from what I hear, and I can see many applications for this in different industries, and it just steps up your production game. As a DJ, audio means a lot to me, and I have this small passion to video marketing and the quality of how we portray ourselves in our videos. And I know, especially in this time, we want to go digital and promote ourselves through Instagram or through different platforms. This is a great solution, so that way you are hands-free. You can share, you can cook, you can work out, you can do so many things with a wireless lav mic, and you can share this with your audience. Great thing about this is that it's definitely affordable. Imagine getting a separate camera just so you can do the same process. You can do this all directly from your mobile device, your phone. Now, obviously, I'm using an iPhone 11. If you're using an Android, that does take a normal headphone jack. You don't need my dongle. You can just connect that in. But it's very flexible in different phones and devices. So that way you can use your phone immediately and start creating videos. And that's what we're all here for to do, is just to immediately put out some good content. And when people consume your content, you want to make sure that the audio is great. So that's my little review, or my how-to of the CVM-WS50 from Comica. I'll leave a link down in the description below if you're interested in getting one for yourself, so you can start creating some awesome videos right now. But if you have any questions, if there's anything else I can help you with, any other videos that you want to see me make, let me know down in the comment section down below. But help me out if you enjoy this video. If you find this helpful, give me a thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that notification bell for more. I'm planning to bring out more content for you guys so you can step up your video production game. So I'm DJ MOJOE, saving the city one party at a time. Make sure you follow me on social media. Hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.
Yo.